Born in the jazz-infused heart of 1918's New York, two siblings, Harry and Dorothy, dazzled the night with their vibrant performances. They pay homage to their Jamaican heritage. Their great-grandparents had migrated to America in the 1800s, blending cultures that added exotic flavor to their acts. When they stepped onto the stage of clubs like the Cotton Club and the Savoy, the atmosphere crackled with anticipation. Harry, with his smooth, effortless footwork, was known as the Rumba King, while Dorothy, with her dazzling spins and infectious energy, earned the title the Dance Siren. And their fusion of Caribbean rhythms and jazz attracted throngs of admirers, transcending racial divides in an era marked by speculations. Night after night, they lit up the black and tan clubs, where diverse audiences gathered, reveling in the joy of connection that their performances embodied. Patrons marveled at their signature moves, a hypnotic blend of traditional Jamaican dance infused with the hustle and swing of American jazz. Each show was a celebration, a vibrant tapestry woven from their heritage. As the months turned into years, Harry and Dorothy left an indelible mark on the nightclub scene, their names whispered in awe and admiration. By the transitions into the 1950s, Harry and Dorothy had become legends, their legacy honored and glorified in the rich history of American nightlife. Their journey, forged through passion and family pride, reflected not just the rhythm of their feet, but the heartbeat of a community that thrived on unity, celebration, and the timeless power of dancing in American nightclubs.